Oh gosh.
Oh man.
What's up guys? It's your boy Clark coming at you again with another video. We in the Clout house, the new place. Sorry if it's a little noisy, we're actually having people over right now. But got a special video for you today. The Carolina Reaper Challenge. So we got these from Puckerbutt. Some Carolina Reapers dried out. And we're gonna go ahead, me and Brandon are gonna eat one each and see how that goes. It's gonna be 10 minutes, no nothing. And the time starts once it goes in our mouth.
We'll see right there. I'm gonna press start once we eat it.
Here, bro. I can't get them on. I'm really nervous, guys.
Alright, there you go.
Alright. 10 bites, put it in, and then the only thing we can do is maybe drink water just to not gag, and we'll take it from there. And this is gonna be terrible. 3, 2, 1, go.
2 to go.
Alright, 10 bites.
There's a lot left in my teeth.
Yeah. These puppies are dry. Hey. So it's supposed to be 6 minutes is where it gets to its worst.
I'm feeling okay right now.
Try to relax your anus.
It's hot for sure.
Yeah.
It's just in the mouth. It's in the mouth. It feels like my nose. Yeah, it's running. It feels like the camera stopped recording, so this is on my phone. You guys, we're getting the camera back. You guys, this is some rigmarole, ragtag. You guys. Oh, is that an earthquake or anything? Okay.
Right up in here. Upper chest. Oh, right here is like.
Alright, we're switching back to the cam. Cam's back on. Here, look at those people. We're in Ikea, people. Like you couldn't tell from the tags.
Okay, so.
Click the autofocus. We're
450.
halfway. The hottest is supposed to happen at 6 minutes.
Oh god.
Oh. Alright, we're at 6 minutes.
6 minutes now. Definitely can agree this is the hottest it's been.
It's bad. It's bad. This is. Oh. Ooh. I really feel it in my chest.
Right? My lips are like trembling. About 2 minutes, 15 seconds left.
Mouth, my ear, my right ear,
My chest.
and chest, and stomach now. You guys, 2 minutes. We're at the 2 minute mark. Ooey, howie.
I know how Superman feels now.
Trying to ride this one out, kids. It's nothing. It's nothing. I feel invincible. 40 seconds and we crack the milk. Puckerbutt. Look on the paper.
20 seconds left.
He wrote Tom P. You can't see in a highlighter, but he wrote enjoy Tom P. Count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, get the milk. There's 2 milks. Come on now. Better. Subdued. If I had a place to blow my nose.
All right. Should we do another one?
No. Oh, Carolina.
How the pepper was, it was dried, so when you bit into it, it just crunched and like fell into like a million pieces, and then
And
when
you
it
hit your throat as soon as you breathe in.
as soon as you chewed it, the first bite, having flashbacks.
Alright guys, that was the Carolina Reaper Challenge inside Ikea. Just tell us what you guys want to see. We'll do pretty much anything. Like, subscribe, leave it in the comments. What do you guys want to see? What do you enjoy? You want to see prank videos, more cooking, more spicy food stuff? Let us know. Later guys.
Oh gosh.